videos. So guys, NRIs do a lot of investment and remittances in India, but they should also be mindful of some scams. Okay. Now, unfortunately, a major scam is now becoming common. I wouldn't say it's very common, but now its frequency has been increasing. It is related to property scam. Because you're out of India, you might have purchased a piece of land at some part in India, of course, like allowed piece of land as an OCI. And because you're not living there, some malicious elements, which may include government officials, bank officials, and because you're far from the place, it's very easy to for them to forge your signature and sell it out without your knowledge and consent. It had happened, and some major cases had been uh, uh, declared in media where you could see that someone even lost land of 8 crores. That's a huge amount. Now, the challenge here becomes is the distance. Like, even if you file a legal case, it's not easy for you to coordinate. So, and whenever the court date comes, it will be very challenging for you to attend. Okay. So distance is a bottleneck. Second, the legal justice system, especially in property matters, is overloaded, too much overloaded in India, right? There are like, I don't have the crores of cases pending, right? Many times those cases don't go anywhere and they just end up after accused, after accused and other parties either do a settlement or they leave the world. That's what we have been seeing for years. I'm not trying to scare anyone, but you have got to be careful. So few steps you can take that would definitely help. Like time to time, every month or two, check the land deed online. If your name is still registered, anything. If you have any relative or anyone living near your property where you have invested, tell them every month or so, keep an eye. Okay. If you have purchased a house and where people are in your neighborhoods, get their contact details too, not just one, but others. And time to time, just pass on some messages to them, ask what's going on, is everything okay? Install security cameras, okay, and have it monitored for alerts or something. If you have a property caretaker, that should be really like that could help too. But yeah, you have to be very careful with the agreement and whom you are hiring. And power of attorney document. When you provide power of attorney for a particular property to someone, first of all, that person should be trustworthy and it should not be a general power of attorney that they can just do anything with the property. And it should be specific, purpose is written. That's why power of attorney document is very important. And this so that it cannot be used for any other purpose. One more thing, if you have a mortgage, a loan, home loan on it, and your original deed documents are inside a bank safe, then it will make it difficult for anyone to encroach and sell it out or change the title because banks' interests are also registered. So when somebody tries to do it, they need the original deed documents. So it's going to be challenging for them also because it does involve a lot of legal steps and not all, but most of the bad element or rotten eggs will think of multiple times before doing this because this involves like a systematic fraud. So this like having a mortgage or loan protects. But yes, one thing you must do always, title insurance. Title insurance is very important. Any property you buy, regardless of the region, regardless of its proximity to your known people, always go for title insurance. It can protect you in many circumstances. Okay, for just one time cost. So when you're spending like lakhs is like a very small number nowadays, crores, make sure you just don't miss on it. That's what I would like to say, guys. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.